Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create BeReal account. So guys, at first you have to make sure that you have downloaded the app and then go to your BeReal app. Tap on continue. Tap on get started. Now you have to enter your name here. So after entering your name, tap on continue. And now you have to enter your birth here. And then tap on yes. Now here we'll need to enter your phone number, so you can change or select your country code from this list. So I am selecting my country code and then enter your phone number. And after entering your phone number, tap on continue. And now you get a verification code, your phone number. All you have to just enter the verification code here. Now enter your username. And then tap on continue. Tap on continue. Tap on allow. Tap on skip. Now click on the notification. Tap on allow. Now take a photo. And then tap on send. And that's it. Now tap on the profile icon. And guys, as you can see, an account has been created, and that's how you can create BeReal account very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.